When a Supreme Court justice resigns or retires from the court, the process of replacing them involves several key steps and various officials, primarily the President and the Senate. The role of the justice. The justices themselves don't have a direct say in who replaces them. Their role in the process mostly ends once they announce their resignation or retirement. They may have personal opinions or preferences, but these are largely informal and don't hold any official power in the selection process. The role of the President. The primary responsibility for nominating a new justice falls to the President of the United States. The President will typically consult with advisors, legal experts, and sometimes members of Congress to identify a suitable candidate. Diverse factors go into this decision, including the nominee's judicial philosophy, professional qualifications, and sometimes political considerations. The role of the Senate. Once the President nominates a candidate, the Senate takes over. The Senate Judiciary Committee first conducts a series of hearings where they question the nominee about their qualifications, judicial philosophy, past rulings, and other relevant matters. This is a critical part of the vetting process. After the hearings, the Judiciary Committee votes on whether to report the nominee to the full Senate. If they approve, the nomination goes to the Senate floor for a final vote. A simple majority is needed to confirm the nominee. Checks and balances. This process is a cornerstone of the checks and balances in the U.S. government. The President's power to nominate is checked by the Senate's power to confirm, ensuring that no single branch has unchecked authority over the appointment of Supreme Court justices. Historical context. Historically, this process can be highly contentious, especially when the political balance of the court is at stake. Past nominations have seen rigorous debates and close votes, reflecting the significant impact a new justice can have on the interpretation of laws and the Constitution for potentially decades. So, while the justice who is retiring or resigning sets the stage by stepping down, it is the President who nominates and the Senate that confirms the new justice. This collaborative system underscores the importance of each branch in maintaining the judiciary's role in the American legal landscape.